Ruskin State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, central York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Siddonsburg, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Red Lion, Mount Joy, Spry, Steelton, Columbia, Michaelstown, Dallastown, York, Middletown, and Elizabethtown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 243 and 258, and from mile markers 265 to 270. Interstate 83 from mile markers 12 to 38. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.